Question 12. Consider the following statements about Fuexian and Xuanzang. 1. Fuexian visited India during the reign of Gupta king Chandragupta II, whereas Xuanzang visited India during the reign of Pallava king Narasimha Varman. 2. Both of them came from Central Asia and returned the same way. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 13. Consider the following pairs of inscriptions and their descriptions. Inscription association. 1. Junagadh inscription Rudradman 1. 2. Hathi Gumfa inscription Chandragupta 1. 3. Nasik inscription Gautamiputra Shatkarni. 4. Aihole inscription Pulkesin 2. Which of the pairs given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only. Question 14. With reference to ancient history of India, consider the following pairs. 1. Virukkal memorial stones. 2. Muziris, an important port under Cholas. 3. Kumarmatya, high-level officer under Gupta administration. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 15. Consider the following statements regarding the Gupta Empire. 1. The practice of primogeniture was fully developed. 2. The demarcation of civil and criminal law was well developed. 3. The recruitment to various posts was done from the lower Varnas as well. 4. Gupta had a well-organized bureaucracy compared to Mauryas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 4 only. D. 2 and 4 only. Question 16. With reference to the ancient history of India, consider the following statements. 1. The system of granting tax-free lands to the priests was started by the Guptas. 2. The feudal polity greatly reduced the need for appointing officers during the Gupta times. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 17. In the context of the Gupta times, consider the following statements. 1. Extensive use of copper coins by the citizens. 2. Emergence of Brahman landlords. 3. Improvement in the economic status of Shudras. 4. Freedom of livelihood to women of higher Varnas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 4 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 18. In the context of Gupta dynasty, consider the following pairs. 1. Mahrauli iron pillar inscription Chandragupta II. 2. Navratna Samudragupta. 3. Chekthu invasion Skandagupta. 4. Bhitri monolith inscription Kumar Gupta. Which of the above pairs are correctly matched? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 4 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 3 and 4 only. Question 19. Consider the following statements in the context of the literature of the Gupta period. 1. Prakrit was the court language during Guptas. 2. The celebrated Sanskrit drama Mrichtaktika was composed during this time. 3. The plays produced in the Gupta period were mostly comedies. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 2 only. Question 20. Which of the following factors contributed to the rise and growth of the Gupta Empire? 1. Strong army with excellent use of horses. 2. Proximity to areas of the silk trade. 3. Fertile and iron-rich hinterland. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 21. Consider the following statements with regard to Chandragupta II. 1. The Nalanda University was developed under the patronage of Chandragupta II. 2. Chandragupta II was the last ruler of the Gupta dynasty. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.